All right. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, wherever you are. Welcome to Quarkus Insights, episode 226. Today, we're going to talk with Angelo about Qute debugging in the IDEs here. So let me click the right button here to get Angelo up on the screen. Good. Well, I guess it's not morning for you. It's 9 a.m. for me. It's probably your afternoon, right, Angelo?
Okay, so thank you for inviting me to Quarkus Insights. So today I would like to show in action the Qute debugger inside VS Code and IntelliJ.
All right, so let me bring up. I don't think we have any news to talk about. We did a micro release of Quarkus last week, but that's really not real much news. 329.3 came out. Now let me get your slides up here. All right, take it away.
Okay. Just for the moment, the release is not done on for the IntelliJ, Quarkus, and VS Code, but I have had in a slide to explain how to test it. So yeah, my name is Angelo Zerr. Before working at Red Hat, I did a lot of contribution to Eclipse IDE. So I am the creator of the CSS engine. I am the creator of the code mining, which is a code lens for Eclipse IDE, and I am the creator of the TextMate syntax highlighting, which is used with the TM4E project, which is used to highlight files with TextMate, like VS Code does. I work at Red Hat for 6 years. So I create the XML support for Visual Studio Code based on XML language server. And my other goal was to try to provide the best support for Quarkus tooling inside IntelliJ and VS Code. So this tooling is based on language server in order to share the most features on each IDE editor. On IntelliJ, it didn't exist LSP support, so I create an LSP support for IntelliJ and DIP support for IntelliJ. Today, IntelliJ provide LSP support, but yeah, it missed some features, so we cannot to switch to the native JetBrains LSP support. And today, so I moved to IBM, and today I work at IBM, and I work mainly on the Qute debugger that I would like to show in action today. Just quickly, what provides the macro profile Quarkus Qute tooling? So there are on Quarkus macro profile support. There are wizard to generate Quarkus project, a launch to launch Quarkus application, and editing support to provide completion, validation, refactoring in Java files or application.properties files. And those features are based on a language server to share behaviors across VS Code and IntelliJ. On Qute support, we did the same idea. We have we provide editing support, navigation, completion, validation, refactoring for Java files, and HTML Qute template. It's the same thing. It's built on LSP to provide shared behaviors across VS Code and IntelliJ. And the last feature that I will show in action is the Qute debugger, which supports DIP. DIP means Debug Adapter Protocol, and it follows the same ideas than LSP. The main idea is to have a common debugger, and if IDE editor can support DIP, you can integrate it. So IntelliJ on VS Code, VS Code support natively DIP, and on IntelliJ, I develop with LSP4ig project the DIP support. So I would like, so here's the agenda of the demo. I would like just to explain the features of the Qute debugger. Just explain quickly technically Qute debugger. We just to show in action the IP. And at the end, I would like to show a demo on IntelliJ and VS Code with a simple Qute Hello and with an advanced application based on Renard. I have not developed those applications. I have just created the application with Wizard, and after that, I will show you how to debug those applications. So what are the features of the Qute debugger? First, the Qute debugger is an experimental support, and it is available since Quarkus 3.29. It means that the Qute debugger is hosted on Quarkus GitHub project. So when there are some improvements, some fix to do, those fix and improvements must be done on Quarkus GitHub project. This Qute debugger provides the capability to debug Qute template. Qute template is an HTML file, and you can use a breakpoint, simple breakpoint, and condition breakpoint. The Qute debugger manages stack frames, and in the stack frames, like stack frame on Java, and stack frame show current rendered template node like text, expression, section. And for current stacks frame, when you select a current stacks frame, you can show current variable. Variable means like local, global variable, which means which are the Java data model. But we will see that in the demo, and we can see it's experimental. We can see namespace resolvers. Once you have suspend the Qute template with a breakpoint, you can evaluate expression, simple expression, conditional expression, and when you are writing expression, you benefit with completion. A nice thing is also to the over expression. So if you over an expression, an object part, a method part, or property part inside editor, you can see the value of the expression. And at the end, you can see inside Qute template editor the value of the object as inlay. It's information which is not editable, but you see this information when you are debugging. Very quickly, I just copy paste the screenshot from DAP specification. The IP specification comes from MacroProfile. Comes from Microsoft, and the main idea is to have a generic debugger on client side, like you can see on the left, IDE, editor, and other tool, which have a generic debugger. Generic debugger is a DAP client implementation, and after that, you can communicate with any debugger which implement DIP. So it exists Node.js debug adapter, Python debug adapter, C#, and after that you can debug Node.js, Python, C# in VS Code, in IntelliJ with the same debugger. So with you can see in this screenshot the rare case with the Qute. So as the IDE, we have IntelliJ, and as generic debugger, we have Lisp4ig, which provides the DIP support. On VS Code, DIP support is natively, so we don't need to develop something. And IntelliJ with the Lisp4ig and VS Code communicate with the Qute debug adapter. which is hosted in a Quarkus GitHub project. And the Qute debug adapter is run in the Quarkus application. And after that, you can debug a Qute template. Very quickly, Qute. What is Qute? Qute is a template engine. The main idea is you write a Qute template with some expression, and you have a Java data model. On the left, you can see Java data model. On the right, you can see the Qute template, and the Qute engine merge the Java data model with the template, and it provides an HTML result. In Qute, we have a Qute template is an IST which in memory, which store text node, expression node, and with the debugger you can debug each node. So if, for instance, if you set a breakpoint in the text node, the debugger will stop on the text node. If you set a breakpoint on the expression, it will stop on the expression node. So let's go for the demo.
It's in order. I guess I have a question. In order to get all this to work, because I know, like, to get the compile time type safety, you have to be using the check templates. Do you have to be doing that to use the debugger, or does it work for anything?
Yes, it's the debugger is working at runtime, so it works with any with checking template, for instance. It is working. For the demo, yeah, I generate a Qute template, Qute application. So it's a very basic application. So you define the template. And in here you render the template with the data model, and you have the Qute template here. So if I start, okay, so the application is started. So just Qute. So when you start the application with IntelliJ, it adds a new parameter, which is Qute debugger port. So the idea is that it will start the Qute debugger on this port. And when you start the application, the tooling track the console. And the first thing is that it tracks this trace, and when it finds this trace, it starts the remote Java debugger. So it's not linked for the Qute, and Qute for the Qute debugger generates also, when the Qute debugger is started, it generates a trace, and the tooling track this trace to start automatically the Qute debugger on client side. So you can see that so you have a remote, which is Java, and you have a hello Qute, which is a debugger for Qute. So if I execute, so yeah, it's for the moment I execute the Qute template, which is very basic. Now I want to debug this template. So I go to the template and I want to stop here. So I just add a breakpoint. I re-execute, and the debugger is stopped. So you can see stack frame. So you can see frame show each text node which are rendered. So the first is the doc type, After that, there are another expression which are rendered. After that, there are another text node, which is this text node, and it stops to the breakpoint. You can see global variable. Global variable is a global Java data model. So this name comes from this name here. So we have defined a global Java data model in the template. And after that, you once the template is suspended, you can use expression. First, you have completion. Completion, for instance, for the Java data model, and you can execute it. And in this case, it's null. For instance, so just retry. You can see that there are an expression. So you can evaluate this expression. So when you evaluate the expression, you can see that the expression result will be Qute because name is null. If I set a name, you can see that name is Quarkus, and you can see also in as inlay int in Java editor the Quarkus, the value of name.
That's very cool.
Yes. And after that, you have you have completion, and you can play in Qute. When you write Qute template with a simple expression, it's easy. But if you need to write advanced expression, the expression evaluation is very nice. For instance, I want to have the first character, and so it's in this case it evaluates the expression, but you can evaluate condition expression. So for instance, if I remember, it's like this. No, it's not like this. I don't remember.
Char, you need a single quote, right? Because it's a char.
Yes. I don't remember the proper expression, but yeah, it's for instance, it's a use case that I don't understand why my Qute template doesn't work. So I can evaluate the expression. The expression is use the real evaluation context of the Qute. So yeah, you can play with the expression, and let me just try that. Yeah, okay, it's working. I don't know why it doesn't work with Charat, but yeah, it evaluates the expression. It doesn't emulate the evaluation. It's the real evaluation of expression. And once you have written an expression, you can say, "Oh, okay, I want to debug. I want that my breakpoint suspend when name is Quarkus." So you can do that. You can write condition name equals Quarkus, and so if I execute this page, the debugger is not suspended, and if I type name equal Quarkus, it should stop. So yeah, in this sample, it's not very advanced, not very helpful, but when you have a loop, it can be very interesting. So So let's do a loop. So now I create an item record, name, and in the data model, I defined a list of name, a list of item. Item. I generate a loop. New item. Like this. So I define my item and I put my data model with items. I save it, and yeah, it's not a feature of debugger, Qute debugger, but you can you can see the in action the language server protocol, the Qute support based on for Qute. So you can see that now you have a name as data model and items. And now I want to generate a loop. So I create 4 items. So it generates item. It generates the 4, for instance, a snippet is managed by the Qute support. And for instance, the Qute support provide okay, what is the type of the item? It's not the debugger which manage that. It's the Qute support. You can click on it to jump it. Okay, I save
very
it.
Cool, very cool stuff.
Yeah, well, it's not Qute debugger. It's Qute support editing. And now, if I so it will the application must should be restart. Sorry, it's not. Yeah. So yeah, it takes it should be fast, but yeah, in my case, I don't know why, but it takes some times. So I generate. Yeah. So you can see in action that the Qute debugger can manage the restart of Quarkus application. It was not trivial, but yeah, it's now it should work correctly. So now, yeah, you can see the item, and now we want to debug this flow. So I set a breakpoint here.
So there's a couple of questions here, if you don't mind. So one from Emmanuel: Does the LSP run as part of the Quarkus dev mode or as a separate process?
Separate process.
It's a separate process.
Yeah, you don't need to start the Quarkus application to have this support. Like for instance, those inlaying, or there are for instance the language server protocol, the Qute language server provide code length here, so you can, for instance, you define a template and you can jump to the template. When you write a REST method, you can see the URL. You can click on it directly. If I remember, no, it's not like this. But I don't remember. But if pass, for instance, if I change the pass, it should change the pass here, for instance. But yeah, there are no need to start the application to have these features. It's a editing support.
So is it the IDE that starts the language server?
Yes, it's exactly that.
Cool. So there's another question about the IntelliJ plugin. It says it has quite bad ratings. Why is that? Is it not maintained well? Do you have any insight into that?
So
I don't know. I don't know the specifics. That's just what the question is.
it's the question is about LSP
The
support.
IntelliJ tools, the Quarkus tools IntelliJ plugin.
Yes, they provide IntelliJ provide Quarkus support, but it is not based on language server.
Okay.
And they provide Qute support is not advanced. For instance, they provide highlighting for Qute, but they don't provide, for instance, completion for Java data model or those code lines. Yeah, it's very basic.
Yeah.
It's just highlighting and if I remember, it provides just errors, syntax error. But for instance, yeah, the tooling, for instance, if you write this, there are an error because name it doesn't exist, and this error is not a syntax error. It's a semantic error because the name data model doesn't exist.
Yeah. This is, I think, something that you and I were talking about before we went live. Is we're actually going to start a regular cadence with the IntelliJ team to work on this and improve the support for Quarkus applications natively out of the box.
Yeah. If some people are interested that I show in action the Quarkus tooling in action for editing support for Qute, yeah, I will be happy. But yeah, today I would like just to show you in action the debugger.
Yep.
So yeah, we have a set of breakpoints and we have so we can see the stack frame, and now locals is filled because in global we have name and items. You can see as in links the items that are inside the editor, and you can over, for instance, item. What is item? So okay, item is item 0. You can over that, and you can see the value, or you can see the value of items. And if you over, for instance, item, okay, and you can over an expression, and it show the value of item. So, for instance, if I write char at 0 and I over it, it should see just I. Qute manage custom value. For instance, if you are when you are iterating inside for section, you have a custom value expression that you can use. For instance, so it's so cute. Huh? It's so the main idea is that you write item, and after that you can have last, and it should show the expression. And you have, for instance, index is very nice to use it because
kind of like magic variables that appear during the iteration of a loop, right?
Yes. For instance, yeah, you have 1,000 of items, and you want to stop the breakpoint when items index equals to 5. If I write 0, okay. So I want to stop when item index is equal to 5. So I just to define the condition. And item now should be 5. Okay, let me just restart. So in this case, the debugger is suspended because item index equal 5. So when you have a more advanced expression, you can write any expression, any Qt expression to have a advanced condition to stop when as you wish. Okay, so now I would like to show a demo with a Renard. Because Renard provide more advanced features. So I start the Renard application. And so in this Renard application, there are a list of to-do. So with the Qt, so we can see in action the Qt support editing. So it's nice, for instance. Okay, I am in this HTML page. It's not me that I have developed this page. So you can click on it and you can see where the to-do is defined. So your question was, is it working with check-it template? We will see that it's working with a check-it template because in the Renard application, it uses check-it template. So it should. Okay, we need to wait for that the application starts. And when the application will be started, we should see this remote. So now we can debug Java files and Qt debugger. So we can debug Qt project, the Qt template. So I set a breakpoint here, and we can. So I go to to-dos, and okay, it stops to-dos, and we can see okay, what is the to-do? To-do is defined with task, with and a date, and we can iterate. And for instance, okay, what is a to-do task? Capitalize, and you can see on the value just with over.
That's very helpful.
And if I continue to debug. So in this case, form is a user tag. So user tag is just a Qt template which is defined on tags folder, and you can jump to the user tag. Before doing that, we'd like just to show, okay, I am on the form, and what is the URI to do? It's the same thing. First, you can evaluate that. You can see that my expression was bad. It's the error is a rare error reported by a Qt template. And you can see, okay, the call of this to-do add will generate this string. And you can see also by hovering. So what is to-do? To-dos, okay, to-dos is a Qt resolver bound router. There are target and absolute, and the same thing. You can, if you over add, it shows the result. And after that, you can jump to the form tag. Okay, sorry, it jump. Yeah, it jump on the if error because there are if error user tag. I don't why form is not. Yeah, well, perhaps there are some reason, but yeah, just to show in action that you can, if you have some user tag or included template, you can jump to the to the to the template.
That's cool. It's like super powerful stuff.
Yeah. I think the demo. I think I finished my demo with IntelliJ, and I would like to show in action now very quickly the same demo with VS Code, because with IntelliJ, when you use a Qute, when you want to use a Qute debugger, it's you don't need to do something. You don't need to do some configuration. It's working out of box. For VS Code, yeah, I need to improve it. But for VS Code, yeah, you need to do just few configuration that I would like to show.
Can you make the font sizes a little bit bigger?
Okay. I don't.
Yeah, I don't know how to do that. I'm not a VS Code user.
Don't know if it's like this. Yes, it's like
there we go.
this.
Yeah, that's better.
Yeah. So yeah, you can see, for instance, on VS Code, you have the same. So you have inlay int. You can jump to the where the data model is defined. This feature is not is managed by language server, so it's exactly the same language server which is used in IntelliJ. So if there are bugs with this, for instance, this navigation, we fix the language server, and after that, IntelliJ will work. For VS Code, you need to do the first thing. You need to define a launch. So you can just type Qute, and the main idea is to the VS Code. I defined a launch for Qute, and the client will listen to this port. And in the task.json, you have a command which starts the Quarkus dev, and you must define just this value, Qute debug port equals with the proper port. Yeah, it's in IntelliJ, this parameter is managed directly by Quarkus tooling. On VS Code, yes, I need to investigate more how to manage that. And after that, once you have defined just so you have defined this setting, add this parameter, and you define this Qute debugger, you can just execute this command if you wish. You don't need to have this task.json. And once this launch are defined, so you can start Quarkus application. We wait. And we set a breakpoint here. Okay, and you need to start the Qute debugger on client side. Okay, perhaps there are some application which, yeah, I think I haven't perhaps my
Still running the version in IntelliJ, maybe.
okay, yeah. So sorry, it doesn't work because I have not stopped in my. Okay, I restart. Sorry. So I restart the Quarkus application. And okay, it should work now. I start the debugger Qute, and now if I it stopped to the breakpoint and you have the same feature on VS Code. Yeah, I will not do the demo because you have exactly the same feature than IntelliJ because it implement DAP DIP.
Cool.
So let me just do. How to test Qute debugger. On client side, on IntelliJ, you need to install Quarkus tools for IntelliJ and LSP4ig. But when you will install Quarkus tools for IntelliJ, it will install LSP4ig. Unfortunately, I had no time to release Quarkus tools for IntelliJ. So if you want really, I plan to do that this week or next week. But if you want to test this Qute debugger, you need to install the 90 builds of Quarkus tools. So there are a URL which explain how to install it, and LSP4ig. And once you will install it, you will benefit with the Qute debugger. On VS Code, it's the same thing. You must install VS Code Quarkus, which is not released, and you need to install pre-release. To install pre-release, you just click on the switch to pre-release version, and it will work. On server side, you need to migrate to Quarkus 3.29, and there are no installation which are required. So you just create a Quarkus project with, for instance, you can create a Quarkus project with 3.29, and Qute debugger will work out the box automatically. So we decide to enable Qute debugger automatically in dev mode when Quarkus dev is called with the Qute debug for parameter, and when quarkus.qute.debug.enabled equals true. By default, it's true. For instance, if you are on IntelliJ and you start the application, IntelliJ doesn't provide the capability to set this Qute debugger port. But if you want, for instance you have a bug with Qute debugger, and you say, okay, I want to disable the Qute debugger, you need just to define in your application.properties quarkus.qute.debug.enabled equals false, and the debugger will not executed. And if you have started the application with the enable debugger, it will start the debugger. But if you set this property to false, it will not re-execute the debugger. if you stop your application and you define false, it will not start the Qute debugger. So what my plan to improve the debugger is, for instance, the first thing is that I would like to provide this Qute debugging support in standalone application. I know that some projects use Qute as in standalone, just with a simple Java main. So I think it can be interested to have this capability. The second thing is I would like to show expression result in editor. For instance, if you have a section with if with a complex condition, I would like to show on the right the value of the expression, true or false. So I think it can be nice to have to see that directly inside editor. And we are in the when you are editing expression, you have completion. This completion is working with value resolver and space resolver, but not with the dynamic value resolver and space resolver. When I say dynamic, it means that in Qt you can add your own value resolver and space resolver with some annotation. For the moment, you have not completion about that. So I would like to manage this completion.
I can throw out a somewhat selfish request to you, because I know when you combine Qt with the LangChain4j extension, in LangChain4j, you can write your system message and user message in the annotation using Qt.
Yes.
To have like the debugging support and all that stuff right there would be super awesome.
Yes, it's if you have some idea, don't hesitate to create issue on a GitHub project. Yeah, for this message, I don't remember the syntax, but I remember that I did not a Qt, not a debugging support, but editing support. If I remember, you can write a message, double point, and you should have completion on the method when you are writing a Qt template. I think it should work, but yeah, it's a long time that I did that. But yeah, if you have any ideas, I will be happy to try to implement it. And yeah, and that's it. Thank you very much to give me the capability to show in action Qt debugger. And yeah, if you have any ideas, I will be happy to try to implement it.
All right. Any other? I guess before we wrap up, any other questions from our audience here? I don't think so. So we saw Emmanuel had a couple questions. I know I use Qt not so much for HTML, but I recently built a tool that runs like a batch job on a nightly batch, and it generates markdown that I then include in other documentation, like on a make docs site. So I'm using Qt and the Qt templates to generate markdown, which is really cool. And I'm using check templates and all that, so it's awesome stuff. So this is even cooler because now I can debug my templates when I run them.
Should I forget to add in the roadmap that I would like to support Rock, because Rock, the mechanism of Rock is you write a Qt template and it generates a template in the target folder, and the template which must be debugged is on the target folder, like classes folder, and not on the source folder. So I think it will not work with the Rock, but yeah, I need to discuss with Antti Diamond to support nicely Qt work. But yeah, for regular Qt application, I think it should work.
Cool. Yeah, this is definitely super interesting. It's something I'm gonna start playing with because I know I'm like I said, I'm using Qt for, like I said, not HTML but other things. So, and I just struggled with it like literally 2 weeks ago, like trying to debug, like putting print lines and printing my model, and this will be really fun stuff to play with.
It's like when I was young and I developed JavaScript, I need to write
Console
a lot
log.
of console log. Yeah.
Yep, the poor man's debugger. That's what we call it.
Yep.
All right. Well, unless we have any other questions, I don't see anything showing up in the chat. But thank you very much for taking some time to spend with us, Angelo. And those of you, enjoy the rest of your day or evening, depending on whatever time it is. And thanks a lot, and we'll talk to you later.
Thank you very much. Bye bye. Have a nice day.